Hi Ray. Okay, so I'm going to try it now again. I've cleared browser cache, Cloudflare just to be sure, and I'll just close that one. So here we go from Facebook. Okay, yep. So that's allowed access. Now what happened last time, I'll just try it. I put in Coral Bay Direct, which is a protected page. Yeah, that's what happened last time. Then I typed in another protected page, which was, I think it was Cape Hillsborough, not that it matters. Cape Hillsborough, and then it redirected. Yeah, so that's what happened last time. So that's twice that's happened now. So yeah, I'll leave that with you. I'm not exactly sure why, but that's consistently happened twice now. Okay, thanks Ray. Cheers.